I continue practicing the linked list, and today I'm focusing on push at back function and reverse the list function. Let's start with a push at back. At first we have to create a new node for first. The same thing, new node, type T. We add in this node at the end of the list, that's why we have to assign it next pointer to the null pointer. And if there is no nodes in our list at all, we have to check it if heads points to the null pointer as well. In this case we will make just our new node, a new head, and we will return. Otherwise we will do the same thing almost that we have done before. We have to traverse through the entire list. For this purpose we have to create our temp pointer again. I will traverse through the list until it hits until its next pointer of temp hits null pointer, and I will move this pointer to the next node. When we will be at the end of the list, we will assign this next of temp to our new node. That's pretty it. Let's test. I already have some values that I want to insert. So we're expecting output 40, 30, 60 because we're inserting at the end of the list. Let's compile. Let's run our code. Yes, that's exactly what we have expected. And let's talk about the reverse list function. Let's go through the logic for this function. This is an example of a reversal algorithm, and we will trace each step of pseudocode. So this is our list, for example, with the data and with the next pointer, which points to the address of the next node. What do we have to do to achieve reversal? We have to create 3 temporary pointers, temp, which next will point to the first node, and 2 more nodes, 2 more pointers with a pointer to null pointer. We will traverse while temp not equal null pointer. At first we have to move to save our next pointer, temp next. We will save into the next. Next step, we will change the direction of this pointer. Temp points next will point to previous. After that we will move 2 pointers forward. We will move our temp and we will move our previous pointer. And this is the example of second iteration. We will continue looping until temp pointer will hit null pointer. At this point we already have all our pointers reversed, and we will start to traverse again from the end of the list to the beginning of the list and printing each value. Let's implement this logic. At first we have to create 3 pointers. The first pointer is temp. We will assign it with a head. Next we will assign to null pointer, and the next pointer is previous. We will assign it with a null pointer as well. Okay, we will start our loop here. We will traverse until temp is not equal null pointer. At first we have to save our temp points next to the next. Let's assign next with the temp point next, and let's change our direction of our pointer. Let's move our pointers forward to towards the end of the list. At this point we hit the end of the list. Our previous, it's a new head, and after we will traverse our temp back. And as before, we just have to print each value. We will move our pointer to next node. I will see out null pointer as well. Okay, let's test our function. At first we will print our original list, and after that, after we reversed our list, we expect the output to be like 60, 30, 40. Let's recompile our code. This is original list and this is reversed list.